Hey, what's up, everybody? Mr. On Demand, man with Master Plan, back again. We're going to talk about the 50 series video cards and this really cool device that somebody's made a prototype of. And I'm going to show it to you. There is a problem with these cards, and it's going all the way back to the 40 series where they've had a power problem where wires have melted, plugs have melted, just a lot of issues. What exactly causes the problem and what the solution is, I don't know. And when I first saw this device, I was really hoping that it would be some kind of regulation device that would really kind of keep the wires from getting too much current and, getting too hot and melting. But that's not exactly what it is, but it is a cool device. And because it is something unique and cool, I want to talk about it because it could be kind of a solution going forward. And let's go ahead and talk about this a little bit more. After the issue with NVIDIA RTX 4090 GPUs ended up with melting power connectors, the last thing anyone likely expected to happen was to see the same problem on the RTX 50 series. Now, let's face it, the RTX 50 series has a lot more problems than just melting power connectors. I don't recommend you buy them at all, but this is a neat device to know about. GPUs, let's see, and yet that's exactly what happened for some users. Over the past few weeks, more than a few owners of the new RTX 50 series GPUs have reported melting power connectors. A problem like that could render the GPU completely useless, not to mention it could be dangerous and potentially a fire hazard. NVIDIA doesn't appear to have confirmed the cause of the problem, but Tom's Hardware noted that could be uneven current distribution is causing the connectors to overheat. One RTX 5090 owner isn't waiting around for NVIDIA to fix things and has taken it upon themselves to come up with a solution to the, quite frankly, ridiculous issue. So here's a picture of this device right here. It looks very neat, very interesting. Take a look at the other side. These are the sense pins right here that senses whether things are plugged in and will allow you to get power. So it's supposed to have some kind of protection already built into this circuit. But that being said, this is the plug that actually plugs in. And what this particular unit does is it actually gives you an alarm where if power is not right and you're getting too much current or too much voltage, whatnot, it's going to alarm you so that you can turn things off. Let's see what they actually say about it. This device is designed to prevent the RTX 50 series GPU power connector from melting. It's important to make the distinction that this is just a prototype. It's not something that NVIDIA itself has made. Additionally, it won't necessarily guarantee any sort of prevention. That's the intentional function, but this doesn't cause the GPU to balance the current flow, which is what I had hoped it would do. What it does do is alert you if one of the pins on the power connector is drawing too much power, presumably so you could either power off your system. In addition to the alarm, the prototype also includes 6 shunt resistors, each 12-volt cable on the connector. Images of the prototype were shared by ex-user Unico's Hardware, originally posted on Bilibili. This allows the PCB to read per pin current values. This supposedly results in the alarm being able to send an alert if too much power is being drawn by a single connector. The creator plans an open source project and software. Since this is just a prototype, it's not something that other people will be able to buy. That being said, it doesn't mean that something like this won't be available in the future, provided NVIDIA doesn't just fix the melting GPUs beforehand. The creator said that this plan to make this project and the software for it open source and could give others the capability to further design and make it more usable, or just downright something that can be purchased. Again, though this is something that anyone who paid for one of these GPUs shouldn't have to deal with. It is a cool prototype. It also great to see something tackling the issue. Hopefully NVIDIA will fix it. So that being said, there's the back part of the device right there. And this is the front part again to show you the picture of what it's got on it. Resistors as well as some circuitry there to help it, to help it alarm you if your device is pulling too much power. That's supposed to protect your system from melting so that you can shut things down. So it's not a solution per se to fix the problem, but it will alarm you if the problem is happening on your particular machine. I think that's a good thing. I thought this was a really cool design and a really cool device. So I hope you thought so as well. If you did, leave a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments below what you think of a device like this. I would like a better device like this that actually does something with the current and make sure things stay even so that we don't get too much and the wires don't fry. But I'm not an engineer, so I can't tell you exactly what would be needed for that type of design to happen. I'm just saying that's what I would like to see, is something to actually be a solution to fix the issue. I hope you guys are all having a great day, and hopefully everything's good. I'll see you in the next video, and yeah, this is Mr. On Demand, man, with Master Plan to help straighten out as much of your tech problems as he can. I'll see you next time. Bye.